Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on the spatial sound on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it. In here you need to select the sound option over here and scroll down guys. You just need to go to advanced. In here you need to select the all sound devices. Click on it. In here you need to select the output devices listed in here. Select your speaker and scroll down guys. Here spatial audio. Just want to turn this on by Windows Sonic for headphones. Just need to turn this on like this. Choose an immersive audio experience that simulates a realistic environment, 3D spatial sound. That's how to turn it on. You just need to turn this on by Windows Sonic for headphones. You just need to turn this on like this, and after that close out of here guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.